41-year-old Noor Salman appeared in a federal courtroom this morning in Orlando. She was facing charges of aiding and abetting her husband Omar Mateen in the Pulse attack that left 49 people dead. She was first taken into custody in California back in January, where she also faced a federal judge and was then extradited to Florida. News 6 reporter Nadine Yanis was inside the courtroom today and joins us now live from the courthouse, which is just 2 miles away from Pulse nightclub. And Nadine, it was a pretty short appearance today. What happened?
Well, it was short, but a lot of things happened. Two things in particular. First of all, Noor Salman's attorney entered an official plea of not guilty today. Secondly, they set a tentative trial date for June 5th. Now, that is exactly 1 week from the June 12th anniversary of the Pulse massacre. Though no cameras were allowed in an Orlando federal courtroom this morning, it looked like the shackled Noor Salman had on the same yellow shirt and gray sweatpants she was wearing when arrested in California back in January. These are sketches from those first appearances in California, but today she faced a judge in Orlando for the first time. It was a procedural arraignment where Salman said nothing except "I do" when the judge asked her if she understood the charges against her. Charges the feds claim that Salman knew about her husband Omar Mateen's plan to storm the Pulse nightclub and did nothing to stop it. However, in court this morning, her new Orlando-based defense attorney, Fritz Scheller, entered a plea of not guilty. After court, we asked if he thinks he can find an impartial jury in the same town where the attack happened. But he wouldn't answer.
That's all I can say today.
He would, however, acknowledge that this high-profile, extremely sensitive trial isn't going to be easy.
How is she doing?
It's going to be a long road, and she's fine.
So not only did they set a tentative trial date for the beginning of June, but Salman also has another hearing scheduled for as early as next week. That's a status conference hearing. Of course, we'll be there until then. Today, I asked a U.S. Deputy Marshal why she was in regular clothes and not in a jail jumpsuit. He told me that was done on purpose. I'll explain why in my story tonight at 5 o'clock. Ladies, back to you.
All right, Nadine Yanis reporting live tonight. Thank you.